Okay, right, so we've got this bit of the border here that's got some self-seeded geraniums that I'm going to take out because this is a reasonable time to take them out because we can transplant them while the soil is still reasonably warm. So I'll dig them out, and what we're going to do is we're going to plant in the place, we're going to plant some Tate narcissus, little tiny small miniature daffodils. We've tried planting daffodils around the garden regularly over the past, and frankly we're sick to death of daffodils appearing one year and never appearing again. We're reliably informed, and all of our experience tells us that Tate are perennial daffodils and will keep coming up every year. So that's the theory. The practice is to take out the self-seeded clump of geranium. This is geranium phaeum, which is a very tall growing geranium. I really like it in this garden, which is why we've got quite a bit of it. It's very good for pollinators. The bees love it, but in this particular case we're going to remove it because if you look at it at the moment, we've got lemon queen, everlasting sunflower on one side, we've got goldenrod on the other side. So we think that maybe this is a place for some low growing plants to come up at the early part of the year while the lemon queen and the goldenrod are still developing. So it's just a question of and we've got a bulb plant here, it's just a question of planting the Tate in a clump. So it's the usual stuff with daffodils. You need to be about 2.5 depth, pointy side up, 2.5. You need to plant them 2.5 deep, the size of the bulb deep. I'm actually going to put them in little clumps because I think Tate's more effective like that. So I'll put one small clump of 3 there, and I'll just get rid of the soil from here to go into the previous hole, and one small clump next to it. And find another small clump in front of it. So 3 in each hole. Pointy side up. And hopefully, not only will they come up next spring, but they'll actually last over the next few years rather than the other daffodils. Now, the geraniums. What I'm going to do with the geraniums is I'm going to take all the green growth off them, and we're going to replant them either in this garden or someone else's garden, because they'll just quite happily sit there during the winter. Their roots will grow, and hopefully they'll be even bigger and stronger plants next year.